Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of superfoods to uncover the amazing benefits of Maca Root. Imagine this little root as a hidden gem from the Andes, packed with powerful nutrients and health benefits. So, what exactly is Maca Root? Let's explore it together. What is Maca Root? Picture Maca Root as a small but mighty warrior from high up in the Peruvian Andes. This plant, often called Peruvian ginseng, has been used for thousands of years by indigenous people to boost energy, endurance, and overall vitality. Think of it like nature's little energy booster, ready to enhance your well-being. Boosts energy and stamina. Do you often feel like you're running on empty? Maca Root might just be the natural pick-me-up you need. Imagine having a battery that stays charged longer throughout the day. Studies suggest that Maca Root can help increase energy levels and improve stamina, making it perfect for those long days at work or intense workout sessions. Enhances mood and reduces stress. Feeling a bit stressed or down? Maca Root can come to the rescue. This powerful adaptogen helps balance your body's stress response, acting like a shield against the pressures of daily life. Picture it as a calming friend who helps you stay level-headed and positive, even on the toughest days. Supports hormonal balance. For many, hormonal imbalances can feel like a roller coaster ride. Maca Root is known to support hormonal health, especially in women. Imagine it working behind the scenes like a skilled conductor, ensuring everything in your body's orchestra plays in harmony. It's particularly beneficial for easing symptoms of menopause and menstrual discomfort. Boosts libido and fertility. Here's a fun fact. Maca Root has a reputation as a natural aphrodisiac. Think of it as a little spark that can reignite passion and improve sexual health. Research shows that maca can enhance libido and improve fertility in both men and women, making it a great addition to your health routine. Improves cognitive function. Need a mental boost? Maca Root might help sharpen your focus and memory. Imagine your brain functioning like a well-oiled machine with clearer thoughts and better concentration. Some studies suggest that maca can improve cognitive function, helping you stay sharp and alert. Enhances skin health. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and Maca Root can help keep it glowing. Picture maca working like a natural beauty enhancer, improving skin tone and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Its rich nutrient profile can support healthy, radiant skin from the inside out. Supports bone health. Strong bones are crucial for a healthy, active life. Maca Root contains essential nutrients like calcium and magnesium, which are vital for bone health. Think of it as a natural support system, helping to keep your bones strong and resilient. Boosts immune system. Last but not least, Maca Root can give your immune system a helping hand. Imagine it as a protective barrier, strengthening your body's defenses against illness. Its antioxidant properties help fight off free radicals, keeping you healthier and more resilient. Maca Root is truly a powerhouse of benefits, from boosting energy and mood to supporting hormonal balance and skin health. If you're looking to enhance your overall well-being, consider adding this amazing root to your diet. Remember, a healthy lifestyle combined with natural superfoods like maca can lead to a happier, more vibrant life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness advice.